Hi everyone, my name is Jacoy, and today I'm going to show you how I painted this picture of my niece. I'm not going to show you my sketching process because there was a lot of erasing, and I personally believe that drawing your painting is the hardest part of the entire process. But I'm going to show you how I painted her and what the final product looked like. So I used the Koi 12 count of fine quality transparent watercolors for this portrait. I started off with mixing the carmine red and the lemon yellow to make a peachy tint for her skin tone. Right now she looks a little sunburnt since this is the only color we have on her, but it's important to not be afraid of the colors. As you're painting, just remember that you can always work up to those colors. Her hair also looks a little bit funny right now. She has dark brown hair in real life, but I went with the burnt sienna and then I worked my way darker and darker until I got the color that I wanted. For her dress, I went in with carmine for the pink flowers and a mix of carmine and cobalt blue for the purple flowers. I also used that same color for her bow and it gave it a nice lavender color. And then I went in with the viridian hue for the leaves. As you can tell, I didn't dilute the colors very much on her dress. Don't be afraid to lay down that color. It will dry and it will eventually match the rest of your portrait. So now I'm going in with a brownish gray color to create wrinkle lines in her clothing. I think that this helps the overall picture to look a little bit more realistic. So I used a titch of the ivory black mixed with the burnt sienna to get this color. Then as you can tell, I'm using my pencil to go back in to define some of the edges. I'm also going back in with the lavender color on her bow and I'm creating those wrinkles there too. Once I finished up with her face, I gave her some socks and I added some calligraphy to the top and the bottom of the page. I hope that you found this helpful and I hope that you can experiment with your own artwork. Thanks for watching.